how you can set up your outdoor living dining table without doing a complete place setting, which is what I usually do. I usually keep it set up, but it's gonna rain today, so all I'm gonna do is I want to get this video out to show you how I'm gonna set it up, how I can still make it look inviting without actually doing a complete place setting. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned, and then we'll start. And here that pollen just gets all over everything. So you're doing this constantly. So hopefully it won't be as bad as the summer goes on, but for right now it's terrible. This looks a little crooked, so let's just do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the table cleaned off, and then what I'll do, we'll start to decorate it. It looks like it's gonna rain here, you all, so I truly wanted to get this video out before the rain starts. Okay, so I got it all cleaned off, and I'm gonna leave this lantern here. This is the lantern. I actually did a full video on this, so you all can go back and check it out. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my table runner on. And this is my table runner. I think I told you all I would be doing orange and yellow. Okay, so as you can see on each side of my lantern here, I've added 2 fire bows. So I'll let you take a look at them. They are black, they have the white and the crystal rocks in them. So I've added 2 here, and I keep my lantern here. I'll turn this all around, come around so you can see the front of it. And I also have placed 1 of 2 of the little tea lights, and what I do, I just put them on each side of this. Okay, so like I said, I wanted to be able to have this table look really nice without having to set it and keep it set. So this is a way that I found I can use this table, have it set up without putting place settings on it and having them out here every day. Okay, so I'm going to show you these beautiful two fire pits that I have on each side. I'm gonna light them. You may not get to see it clearly because it is during the day, but what I'm gonna do also, I'm gonna give you a night view. So let me put away, they come with the little stoppers here, so when you are ready to put the fire out, all you have to do is just put it on the top, okay? And It comes with the white and crystal rocks. So I'm going to put these here to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and light them and let you all see how beautiful they can actually be. As I said, it may be a little hard for you to see the fire simply because it is daytime, but I will bring you in a little closer so you can hopefully see it. And once they stay lit a minute, you'll be able to see it, okay? So this is my table setting. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring you in closer and let you take a look at it. This is just an ideal for you if you wanna have your outdoor dining area set up without actually having to have the place settings out. Okay, so you can see how this is looking. As I said, it's during the day, so you really can't see how beautiful these are, but they are lit, and at night I will come back and show you the night view. So this is my table without the place settings on it. And the runner is just a cheesecloth that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Okay. So as I said, what I wanted to do was make sure my table had just look great without having to leave the place settings on it all the time. I think I've accomplished that. You all let me know what you think. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.